Can I get rid of my cataracts without surgery? How can I stop my cataracts from getting worse? How can I prevent cataracts? Hello and welcome back to Dr. Solar channel. I am Dr. Fatima, and in today's video, we're going to answer all of these questions. We're going to talk about how to prevent cataract and how to slow it down if it's already there. So stay with me until the end of this video and let's go. Cataract is the clouding of your eye's lens. It's like looking through a foggy window. With cataract, you experience blurry vision, difficulty seeing at night, and faded colors. Cataract is mostly associated with aging. As you age, the proteins in the lens of your eye start to break down and then clump together. And this clump makes a cloudy area on your lens, which is called cataract. Over time, this cataract gets worse and makes more of your lens cloudy. Surgery is mostly required if cataract has already impaired your vision to the point that you cannot do your daily activities very well. However, if you detect it early, you can slow down its progression by some changes in your lifestyle and your habits. So for those of us who are over 40 or they have diabetes or a positive family history of cataracts, it is very important to get your eyes checked up. Now, if we already know that we have cataracts or we don't have it but we just want to prevent it, what should we do? One of the key factors that causes the proteins in the lens of your eyes to clump and make cataract is oxidative stress. Free radicals, which are unstable molecules, can cause damage to the lens proteins and lipids. Over time, this damage leads to the clouding of the lens, known as cataract. Now, how can we combat these free radicals and oxidative stress? Easy, with antioxidants. It has been proved that a diet rich in some specific antioxidants can significantly reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of cataract formation and progression. First of all, let's talk about lutein and zeaxanthin. These two are two biochemicals from a family called carotenoids. These are essential antioxidants that are located in the retina of our eyes. They play a crucial role in maintaining eye health by filtering out harmful blue light and protecting the eye cells from damage. This protective function helps reducing the oxidative stress, which, as we said, is a key factor in developing cataract. So how can we get enough lutein and zeaxanthin? There are some foods that are rich with these nutrients. Kale and spinach are the best sources that you can get these nutrients. 1 cup of cooked kale or spinach can get you enough of these nutrients for one day. You can also get some of these nutrients by eating corn, egg, and peas. Our next option with great antioxidant properties are flavonoids. Flavonoids are a group of natural substances that can help reduce the risk of cataract by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation, which can damage the lens proteins. There is no recommended dosage for flavonoids in order to prevent cataract, but try to add a variety of flavonoid-rich foods in your daily diet. In order to get flavonoids, you can consider eating apples, onions, dark chocolate, strawberries, and blueberries. The next source of antioxidants are vitamins, of course, specifically vitamin C and vitamin E. In order to get the antioxidant effect of vitamin C and vitamin E, you need about 80 milligrams of vitamin C and 15 milligrams of vitamin E every day. In order to get that much of vitamin C, you can try 1 medium orange, 1 cup of halved strawberries, half a cup of raw bell pepper, or 1 cup of cooked broccoli. And to get enough vitamin E, you can try almonds, hazelnuts, sunflower seeds, spinach, or broccoli. Now, another important factor that determines how fast your cataracts progress is high blood sugar. When your blood sugar level is high, some harmful molecules are formed in your eyes that are called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs. These AGEs makes the proteins in the lens of your eyes stiff and cloudy, leading to cataract. So what you can do is to avoid foods like white bread, pasta, and sweets, and replace them with whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat breads. Healthy fats can also help you reduce the oxidative stress, so you can use olive oil, nuts, seeds, and avocados instead of fried foods. And the last thing that you can fix in order to slow down the progression of cataract is fixing your nutritional deficiencies. Deficiencies in some essential nutrients like selenium and zinc can impair the antioxidant defense system of your lens. So you should make sure that you have enough zinc and selenium in your daily diet. And how can we do that? You can get enough zinc from eating meat, chickpeas, lentils, beans, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, and cashews. So make sure that you add a serving of zinc-rich food to your meal several times a week. And in order to get enough selenium, you can try Brazil nuts, fish, eggs, and brown rice. Although we all know that surgery is the definitive treatment for cataract, you can still slow it down by using all of these nutrients and changing your lifestyle and diet. Let me know about your experiences with cataract. Did you try anything other than surgery, and how did it work? And if you already had surgery, how was your experience with surgery? Did it fix the problem? Thank you guys for watching until the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be waiting for your comments. Until the next video, bye!